Alright, let's take a look at measure 1. You have a pickup to measure 1, and that's the A and the B. Okay, so measure 1 sounds like this. Okay, so make sure that you play that open A and you let it ring the whole measure, and then in between you're playing that part, C, E, A and C together, and then the E, and then the other E on the first string, back to that E on the fourth string. Okay. That's measure 1. Take a look at measure 2. It's still the same shape, but now you're adding the bass note. So you're going to play the G before you were playing the A, the open A. So make sure that you're playing the G now on the 6th string, 3rd fret. Measure 2 sounds like this. Okay, now remember to hold that that G on the 6th string, the whole measure. Okay, look at measure 3. You have an F on the bass. So now you're moving from here to over here. Okay. And then your second finger is playing the C on the 2nd string, 1st fret, right there. You're still holding down the A on that 3rd string right there. And then your pinky has to reach out to hit the D on beat 3 there. So measure 3 is like this. Okay, now don't release the F. The F, you still have to hold down that F on the bass. Okay. Measure 4, you have a G, E, G, C in the bass. G, E, G, and C. You're going to play it like that. And then it goes from G to E, back to G. And then you have a E, G, and a C together. So it's in the 4th string, 3rd string, and 2nd string. I'm going to play those on beat 3, and then you play a D on the 2nd string, 3rd fret. So it sounds like this. Again. Look at measure 5. Now you're playing a C, G, C, and an E. Okay. Sounds like that. Then you have a G, and then an E, and then back to a G again. Then your bass note's going to change from a C to a B. And then on the top, you have a G. And then you're hitting the other G on the 3rd string. Okay? So measure 5 sounds like this. Again, measure 5. Measure 6. Look at the bass note. You have an A for 2 beats, and then you're going to a G on the 3rd beat right here. Okay? Again, you have an A, and then you're going to play a G. Look at the rest of it. You have, it's an A minor chord. then on beat 3 you're changing to the G, but you're also playing the E on the first string, and then you're playing a G on the third string open. So this finger has to release the A, okay, so that you can play that. So again, hit measure 6. Okay. Measure 7. You're going to switch to an F and an A. F in the 6th string, A on the 3rd string. Right? You're going to play the F and the A together, and then you're going to play the D on the 4th string, A on the 3rd string, back to your D on the 4th string, and then on the 3rd beat you're going to play an E and a B. So E on the 6th string open, and then a B on the 2nd string, simultaneously together. And then you're going to play the G on the 3rd string open. Okay. Measure 7 again is this. Then measure 8. A, E, A, E, A, B. Okay, so if you put your fingers in the shape of an A minor chord, is what it is, and you're just playing 3rd string, 4th string, 5th string, 4th string, 3rd string, and then B, 2nd string open. Okay, those last 2 notes on the end of measure 8, that's the same as the first 2 notes. That's your pickup back into the repeat. Okay, so measure 8 sounds like this. And then you go back to measure 1. Okay, and then repeat that section again. Okay, and then those 8 measures come back at measure 18 all the way through 25. So work on that section, and then I'll submit another section for the next part, which is measure 9 up to 17.